Today we're going to make pineapple skin tea. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the top off of the pineapple. Get that off. Then we're going to take our pineapple here. We're going to put it inside of our pot of water. And we are going to salt it on all sides. And what this is going to do is it's going to help us get the bromelain. It's going to get the bromelain production ready inside of the pineapple. We're going to let that sit for 10 minutes so that it can go ahead and start getting the bromelain action happening. So that when we start cooking this pineapple, we will get the most amount of bromelain to be able to help us with our concoction. While we're waiting for that to prep with the bromelain salt extract, we are going to go ahead and prep our other fruits. We have an orange and we have a lime. We're going to go ahead and slice that up and get it ready so that we can put it inside. And we're going to use the peels and the fruits of the oranges and the lime. So we're going to slice it up kind of thin, and we're going to put that into our boiling liquid as well. We're going to prepare our ginger as well. We're going to take a spoon and we're going to just scrape the skin of the ginger. Get all of that pulled off really quickly. All right, after we have the ginger prepped, we're going to go ahead and cut it into small pieces so that we can get it prepared for the boiling water so that we can get as much surface area as possible. Also going to include peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and turmeric. All right, so we're going to dump our water on this. We're going to rinse the pineapple real well. We're going to rinse our pan real well. Get all of that salt out of there. All right, so we're going to get our ends for the pineapple. And then we are going to take the skins. This is what we want for our tea, is the skins. And then we're also going to take the core as well, because we can use the core inside the tea also. go ahead and get our pineapple for eating. And we're going to preserve that core for our tea. All right, inside our pot, we're going to do 1 gallon of distilled water. You could also do filtered water. Spring water, etc. All right, we're ready to make tea. We're going to put in our big chunky stuff here. All right. We're going to go ahead and put that on high and bring it up to a boil. We're going to put our turmeric, cloves, and whole peppercorns. And we're going to have our cinnamon sticks. We're going to go ahead and break those up. And we are going to let this boil and cook for 30 minutes. Bring it to a boil, then cover it and let it simmer for 25 minutes after it's boiling. It's almost time to party. 25 minutes of boiling, then we're gonna strain it. All right, friends, it is time to drain. It's all done. We're going to go ahead and strain it back into our gallon, and we can serve it hot or cold, but if you serve it hot, it is going to do a lot of other great things for your body, and you can also serve it with some raw honey to be able to help you as well. Now you fill up your gallon. Put it in the fridge for up to a week. Have a glass a day. Better health. Drink 1 cup of this, hot or cold, every single day. Add a teaspoon of raw local honey, and this will knock out fresh pineapple skin tea. Slightly spicy, fresh, not bad at all. A little bit of honey at the bottom. Drink it hot or cold every day. Help with a lot of different health ailments. It's ready for you to dive in and try today. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you've tried this, what your favorite added ingredients are, and what you think of this particular recipe.